So you try to confuse and you lose. In the day, nothing's wrong, getting late, still not home, but in the morning she turns you on. Who is sober when she confiscates everything you own? What's the cover when there isn't much of it left to show? Who's in love anymore? What's the word? What is it for? Try to find her when she's at the door. In the wildest daydream.
I already have the Force XL up on the top of the roof. Cleo helped me with that. There's nothing different there. The different things here are we have a new step stool, folding step, because the other one was kind of falling apart. This one is stronger. The hinges are all single hinge all the way down on the sides. The other one, the tabs made it weak. The other big change is we're taking the new canopy with us, and it's too long to go side by side, so it's going full length down the center of the car, which means it goes all the way through the passenger compartment, or cargo compartment in this case, and into the front seat, which I've already driven it to get money from the ATM, and so that's a little annoying on my elbow, but I can deal with that. Since it lets us take it. I might have to pack things a little differently. Might have to turn the cooler sideways to get it in. So this is the old stool. The reason we replaced it is because the way the hinges go up the side here, it breaks off easy. So you can see that this bottom piece is broken off and gone, and that one is the rest are gonna go sooner or later. This one is, you can see the crack is really bad. This new one isn't set up like that, so I'm hoping it'll last longer, even if it is an inch or two shorter.
Robert is gonna see a setting up with his
197 miles.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
Not 100. Yeah, almost 4 hours.
Have to probably stop at a gas station along the way because I got a quarter tank. But we'll see how far it gets us.
More or less 5 o'clock or 5:30.
Oh, that's accurate. In fact, let's Google us a backup. It does say 225 miles, 3 hours, 42 minutes. I guess that's verified.
We added course. Well, spider there.
Heading for war in the stranger's bedroom. You ran for the door. What was it for? The more you hesitate.
Yes. Hasn't turned orange yet. I'll put up the whole top, but it's just a little sliver on the gauge.
Wondering, I like that the wrinkles are like folding. What Downtown is this?
Mount Morris, I think.
Looks like
It says
complete. There is food.
449. Actually, a little less here. 444 instead of 449.
I thought I heard on the news this morning for
Not sure what they've been smoking on. So expensive that money gauge goes too fast to be able to stop it right on the dollar. Had to get a penny up. $54 for a full tank. basically $4.50 a gallon. 12 gallons to fill the tank. So this is Mount Morris. Get back on the highway. 3 hours to go.
Confess what you love her for.
Rest area. Fire danger.
Wait. It's good. Oh, good.
Yes, indeed. Oh, there's a button. There's a button.
That's why it's hard. So you can adjust.
Yeah. Okay. You can also adjust it in and out. And if you loosen this, you can adjust it up or down.
It's like your tripod.
Yeah.
Your mic. I need to change this battery. I can hear it.
Bubble, bubble.
Much better without the case.
Continue driving straight onto I-75 North. Proceed on I-75 North.
Oh, busy. Welcome to our carpool party. You know the song, both sides now.
Not the tune, I don't know the words.
Yeah, the chording is off. So many things I would have done, but clouds standing in my way. I clouds. Oh, I forgot what's AM7. Let's do work on that song.
Is this an accident or what?
You're stuck in here. I'm bringing my Cala pineapple shape. I put this in lace. I like that in lace. It's like hummingbird. And it's called Tree of Life. This trees and branches. Let's do some Beatles. Close your eyes and I kiss you. Tomorrow will say, I smell gas. Send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. So we're stuck here in the traffic. Where we are now, Annie?
On I-75 at Lake Huron Circle. Might be almost through it.
The flow is really slow. Like there's construction somewhere.
5 miles per hour.
Gonna be behind our schedule. Gonna be dark when we set up tent. One of my favorites, I Will.
U.S. National Weather Service has issued a freeze warning for all the hills.
What warning?
Freeze warning.
Yikes. It's got different chords.
Road work ahead, so yeah, construction.
Oh yeah, something. 7 is different here. This is just rock star. This song is gonna make you sleepy. When I want you in my arms, when I want you with all your charms, whenever I want you, I can make you mine. Taste your lips apart, anytime, wherever I want you, all you want to do is dream. Wow, this is easy chords. We can't keep on turning.
Try to appear, she don't care. And the days walk on by, and the nights no one tries. And in the morning she starts to cry. Who is sober when she confiscates everything you own? What's to cover when there isn't much of it left to show? Who's in love anymore?
It's really cool.
Oh, so you have your yellow phone to check in?
That's really cool.
The Ranger?
Looks like gold. So people can stay here overnight. It's just
It's cold out there.
sneak there with no guard.
Yeah, they drive through.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Your destination is ahead.
Nice and right. I'm getting this conversation with a killer. The Jeffrey cover
Got the Netflix app?
is now on Netflix. I know it's not because you're watching.
By the way, we thought you picked to watch what you're watching.
This is happening this weekend. Karaoke. Looks like camp by ourselves.
There's no campos. Somebody's at the cabin.
Close to the
The cable. What's a lady?
It's really close. It's gonna be cool.
Where is the lot numbers? Number 1.
It's got red truck too.
Number 2. Oh, there's Robert there. Right next to him.
Is that
Oh,
her? Is that
okay. A hard time putting their tent.
which one? Looks like small. Oh yeah, it's just close.
Well, that's been permanently closed. That one.
Which one?
Rock and roll.